Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, Resident Day Trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we are live. It is Monday, May 13th, and the SPY is looking pretty strong. The market's looking up. I'm a long trader, long side trader only, so whenever I see the market gapping up in the morning, I just get excited. Um, yeah, man. Hopefully, we'll have a really good day. A really good day. What's up, Ben? Good to see you, bro. What you trading this morning? How was your weekend? Ah, man. What if GME goes crazy today? What's up, Pond? Thank you, sir. I think that's a good thing. I'm a little hot from my pre-workout from this morning's workout, so I had to rock the tank top this morning. Um, Man, GME got 14 million shares traded this morning. That's a lot of volume, man. Huge gap up over 20 bucks to $26. Hey, Signature, what's good? Yeah, man, it's looking good this morning. I guess we can cost to. Wow, this is nuts. I can't believe I'm drawing trend lines on GME right now. I mean, support and resistance. I would go very light shares on this one just to be a part of the show, you know. Oh man, that's crazy. Just get like 25 shares. Only if it's a good setup, though. I'm not just gonna throw money out the window. TVGN. Okay, a little gap up action. Tell you, man, I've been drawing trend lines all weekend. All weekend, I've been drawing trend lines. All weekend. You think so? Ellingford, what's up, man? Yeah, I've definitely I don't get as excited anymore on these gap up days because I mean I've seen so many of them turn right back around and just be like the most bearish day ever, which actually makes me think I need to stop dissing the gap downs. Like I need to start looking at the gap downs too to see what actually is a higher time frame, could be a higher time frame bullish setup because pre-market is can be a fake out for sure. It can definitely be a fake out. So I'm trying to be patient, really patient. I don't want to lose more than 3R anymore on a bad day. So I really want to be disciplined and cut myself off at 3R loss. I'm not can't have any more triple digit losses. Damn, here we go again. What's up, Olu? Yeah, man, let's have a green day today, man. Let's just be smart, be patient. Let the market show us its hand, and then we see where we can make a play. Very simple. 3 Pony in the building. What's up? Hit that like button for me, you guys. In between your symbol hunting, of course. I think Nvidia looks really exciting over 908. But I'm not going to trade any breakouts. I got to see some sort of confirmation. Guess Cake hasn't opened yet. I think I'm going to just keep GME up for now, because I don't really want to put it on my watch list per se. But I'm curious. Yeah, I think that's totally cool, Ellenford. Like, I be tripping, man. I went back and looked at one of my old trade videos and saw I had like 6 or 7 tickers on my trade monitor. And I was like, man, what was I doing? Just doing too much, man. Too much. And then, even what was that? Friday, I had like 4 positions on at the same time. Couldn't even add or manage or anything. It's just like way too much, man. Cava. I might swap Cava out quick. BLBD on day 2 type move through highs. Check that out. Ooh, yeah, I like that daily. Yeah, that looks nice. I'm going to swap that out for Cava over here. Keep an eye on that. Microsoft is kind of in the dumps at the moment. Oh, yeah, the SPY's trending down off the open. I've actually been liking the first couple red candles being red, where I'll pull back and then seeing it make a high on top of that opening range. That's been like an ideal setup lately. There goes Triple M. Cake over 38. Cake is super low volume, but that might be a nice little chill trader. Wow, MM just broke over 100. I think Cake could be a real chill trader today. I really do. I'm going to keep a close eye on Cake. This is probably a great entry over 38, though. I mean, you can get 100 shares and tuck it under the high of day. No problem. I just don't really want to be in a low volume mover today. Man, Triple M went off. Ooh, big BLBD with a fat red candle on the way down. Man, Cake is super tempting to just throw 100 shares on there and just let that thing ride all day. Not sure how that's possible. Because you're a good scalper, Ben. What do you mean? Strategy's 86%, bro. It's supposed to be green. Huh. Yeah, man. It's a nice move up. I know, man. What's up, Brent? It's definitely on the radar, man. It's definitely on the radar. Man. Right. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you, Ben. Yeah, man. AMC's up too, Brent. Just took a little position on cake just because, man. I just got a feeling. I got a feeling. It's actually a good breakout, and I don't see any body thinking about selling it right now. There's no reason. Why would you short it? It already had its pullback off the earnings, and now it's gapping up over highs. I think cake will be just fine today. I like what MU's cooking as well. I think I'd wait for MU to trade up a little bit and pull back though. I like what ARM is doing. Yeah, I like ARM a lot right now. I mean, it's setting up. Yeah, I just hope I gave it enough room. A little, not super aggressive, but I think my stop's in a good spot on it. But now that it's pulling back, you know. All right, there goes Nvidia new high of day, ARM new high of day, MU new high of day. Look like the semis are doing well thus far. What's GME doing? Ooh, GME. That's a nice little setup right there. I might have to swap something out for GME so I can watch it. What's looking the weakest? Probably swap out BLBD, honestly. Okay. GME's halted. Oh. I was wondering why it isn't moving. It's like, why does this only have 3 candles and everybody else has 4? That's funny. Is that with you changed something on your broker, Ben? You just moved over or something? I ain't OKLO. Check you out, Pond. Right. Oh wow, is this the second day on this stock? It just IPO'd on OKLO. Oh, okay. Yeah, you might have a little few kinks to deal with for a while. SPY is dropping. So is Nvidia and MU. I would say ARM is looking like it has the most relative strength out of everything. Triple M looks very strong as well. I would think Triple M might be a cool little setup around $100. Sam Altman thing, gotta wait on that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, ARM and 3M are the two that I'm feeling the most optimistic about at this point. I don't even have my scanner on today. Let me, do I have enough real estate for that? Sometimes the scanner is just too much, man. Okay, got a 2 candle pullback right here. That ain't enough though. That's actually not bad for something that's really bullish. But
INCY.
I don't know. Like, there goes Game is open. I mean, GameStop's open. INCY does look kind of nice. A little 5-minute open range breakout there. Oh, this is another IPO. Oh, I was about to say. Okay, no, this is a huge gap up breakout right here. I'll put that on the radar. INCY. Ooh. INCY, man. That looks pretty nice. Cake is actually starting to look a little scary. GME, did it just halt up again at 29.47? Looks like it. Yep. Man, INCY, that's kind of like, that was a little buy right there on the 5-minute opening range. I don't know if there'll be another chance to get on that one. That was actually a really good buy on GME. I think that first pullback, that break over 26. With this uptrend, little pullback right there. I mean, it would have been a little risky, but hindsight. Nah. Can't do MU right there. Yeah, man, INCY. What is INCY? Oh, man, I seen Baba popping up this morning. I haven't even pulled it up for some reason. Oh, wow. How did I not pull up Baba? What a nice daily setup on gap up. That looks pretty good. Yeah, that thing gone. I'm telling you, that 4-minute or opening range breakout, I think I like this play, man. I see this a lot. Where they both kind of bump at the top and you get higher lows on both of them. And then you just take the breakout and put your stop under there. Probably need to look to add to increase your position. Okay, we got ARM on a nice little pullback here. I don't know. That pullback's getting a little vicious. SPY is really moving down, though. Kind of a dangerous day to be long. I don't think my cake position is going to survive with the SPY doing that. Cake position look like it's about to crash. I know I should have stayed out of that low volume mover. I think I might try ARM here. Yep, there goes Cake. That was a waste of an R for sure.
JD.
That was totally a waste of an R. JDA. Wow. Could have said something about that earlier. Scanner. This arm is like 75%. I don't know about that. Like 30 shares.
BABA.
Yeah, I think I might try that one. Can't get much. Let's see what arm's talking about. If it doesn't make a lower low. Man, I think MM's about to keep rolling up too. I wanted a better pullback than that. Okay, arm's still going down. This might be the actual entry candle right here though. GME with a double halt. Man, should have took GME back over HVS. That was the one to gamble on, not cake. Alright, yeah, I don't like ARM anymore. The market is weak right now. The market is weak. Man, look at MMM though, man. This was just too scary, man. This was too aggressive of a move up. I wish they would have came back down to like 100. Yeah, I was watching ARM, but it just fell through, man. I needed to see more buying happen at VWAP. Coin ain't looking good.
GME.
Oh man, the elevator, like literally in the elevator? Or a figurative trading elevator. There's GME. Open over 30 bucks now. Man, I should have took Triple M though. On those super narrow range bars, man, you can get just you could just sell that top of high of day and be okay. Oh, I got you. That's what I was thinking, Brent. Yeah, chips are definitely pulling back with the market. MU's pretty strong though, relatively. Man, look at GameStop, man. I wish I would have got in over 26. AMC. Now AMC looked like a nice little buy right there over nice little dip buy. Okay, hello. Oh, okay, I see you. I see you. MU's popping up too. Market catching a bounce. Not the market, but wow, look at MU. That's a very strong double bottom there. 123.49. Okay, there's a new high of day on MU. ARM is looking good once again. Okay. I could have taken this. It's over just $1. Let's see if we can get a higher low on ARM to jump in on. INCY headed back down to VWAP. Might as well chill over here. Man, I think ARM's about to go crazy.
SG. BABA.
Alright, giving ARM a shot here. Dang, boy. Got slipped up 14 cents on ARM. ARM be tripping. 1384. Ugh. Let's go ARM. Oh man, don't do that. Don't do that. Stop is up way high, man. Oh my God. Dang, boy, that got knocked down super hard. Oh my God. Bruh. You dirty rat. Now Cake's about to go.
PDD.
Yeah, you right. You right. Look at Cake going now. They playing with me today, man.
AA.
Is that the one I want to risk my last trade on, though? I think ARM is going to go, too, but... I can wait on Cake. I don't need to be the first guy in that thing. Yeah, I'm gonna chill. I got one trade left today. Yeah, for sure. AMC is definitely popping up because of GME, man. Absolutely. All the meme stocks are popping up now. This looked like a cool little spot right here too, but it's very dangerous with all this kind of selling pressure. Cake is like
GME.
No volume. There's no way I should have jumped in a stock with 50,000 traded. That was just foolish. And ARM is so crazy looking.
JD.
That's not my setup on ARM. JD. Look at Cake going now, man. Dirty rat.
BYON.
What's PDD doing?
BYON.
That's a nice little chill mover.
AA.
looks nice too. Man, yeah, Triple M was that one. I just was scared to get in this high up.
JD.
But really, man, this 2-candle pullback on a big aggressive mover like that, I see him work all the time. GME halted again. Yep, over 33.29. Look at Cake, man. That's disappointing. That's disappointing.
BABA.
I almost jumped right back in over 38 too, but it felt like FOMO, you know. I just felt like I was getting back in, but I felt strong. I feel strong about it over 38. I really just needed to give it more room, but it's so thin right now, man. There's just no telling what it's gonna do. One order come in and wipe the whole trade out. Definitely needs more volume to make a safe trader. Yeah, I done gave FOMO a chance 2 times. I got 1 trade left for the day. I'm kind of looking at INCY over here with the nice slow pullback to VWAP. This is actually the same play I took on Cake that day, where it moves. This is a setup I heard from SMB Capital, where a stock moves over double its range and then pulls back 50%. That's a good look at this nice setup on the 1 right here. That's a good setup. I'd like to see it pull back a little bit more, but honestly, right here to the whole dollar really isn't bad. Yeah, I see what you're seeing there. Got some resistance at $6, but if it breaks through, could be exciting. Ugh. Alright, let's see what INCY does here. Looks pretty nice. I would just like to see just a little test down here. It's chilling at the whole dollar mark. Might not give me yeah, you're right, Sig. That volume is trash. Oh man, INCY. I was thinking over 58, but you know, try to wait for that perfect setup. Guess that ain't gonna be the one. Ooh, that's kind of nice. What's coin? Ooh, look at coin here. Coin over 205 maybe?
GME.
GME's back up. Wow, you could have just bought GME this morning and it would have been a great buy. GME over 36. GME is going straight crazy right now. I don't think I'm going to swap coin with ARM.
GME.
GME halted again. Wow. Okay, yeah, I see the SPY moving up. I think I might try coin right here off of VWAP, off of 204. That's a nice little setup on the 5 too. If it can chill here for another
BYON.
BROS.
chill here for another minute and a half, I'll mess with coin. I hope it doesn't get too wide though. Wow, the hourly on coin looks nice too over high of day. This could get real spicy. It needs to chill though, man. I know it's about to run off and go crazy. Over 205 is nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shoot my last shot of the day on coin. 204.60. Maybe if it sets up, if it chills out where it's at. I should put a limit order on there because I know I'm gonna get slipped up on a stop market. I just don't want to miss it. Okay, coin is holding still. It looks very good. This is a good setup. Got my order in for coin. This the last one. It's the last one. INCY is back looking good. I just got, it's either coin or INCY. FTRE, my one and done for the day. FTRE. Maybe INCY is the one. That's not really. And then I don't like this. Yeah. Wow, look at the 5 on it though.
MMM.
Man, I wish I. Look at Cake too, man. Cake about to make another new high day. Coin is out. Just made a lower low. Netflix looks good at the bottom right there for a reversal play. Even though that's not what I do. Tell me that don't look good. With the SPY moving up, it's not moving strong though. Relative to the SPY. MU might be a possible. INCY does look good. I just wish it had more of a test to VWAP. And then this, I don't know, we're going to consider that a lower high. I'd rather try MU, honestly. Oh, glad I ain't jumping there too quickly. Is coin ready now? Yeah. 33, 20 shares. Closed over under VWAP though. But if it breaks above there, that could be legit. INCY back to VWAP as well. MU
GME
is dropping hard. MU back, GME back open over 37 bucks. Yo, GME was the play to just buy right off the open. Okay, now it's selling off. People finally taking some profits on that thing. Cake over 38.54. I should have jumped right back in that joint over high day. Alright, I don't think coin's gonna work out. Definitely not.
ROKU.
Yeah. Yeah, my overall yesterday looking at the SPY was bearish, but it looked exciting this morning.
BABA.
The old fake out, eh? Look at Baba today, man. Wow, Baba just made a nice breakout move today. Huh. Kind of surprised at AMD right now. Well, this is what I wanted.
UPST. KSS.
I don't think I want this if it breaks 50, honestly. Man, look at Cake, man. I knew my stop was too tight on Cake. It just didn't have no volume. That was the problem. $67.88. That's gonna be a disappointing
ROKU.
day
BROS.
to shut it down like that. What we doing, INCY? Let's Quite a rejection there at the top. All right, folks. 57.39. I am in INCY.
BABA.
RDDT.
See how it goes. I think it looks great. 5-minute setup. But we'll see. We got to get back over 58 for me to feel even good. Yeah, I feel pretty good about it too. It's sitting right on top of this high volume opening candle, which is where I like to see it test, and it got bought up right there through VWAP. This is a perfect candle right here at VWAP. This is like my perfect setup right here as far as the trigger candle. The only thing I don't like is how long it took. You know what I'm saying? I guess it's not bad though. It's just, we'll see. Yeah, we definitely need a winner, man. Definitely need a winner. I don't want to start the Monday like this. Not like this. Cake, I knew Cake was just like me throwing it at the wall too. On that low volume play. I like what Signature said though about that being a swinger, because it's just the volume's too low. Oh yeah, that's a good thing, right? Ben. JD looks like it's in a cool spot again too. Wow, GME all the way back down to $29.99. Forgot to put my little checklist up this morning. I think Coin's ready for its next leg up. And
UPST.
INCY is looking bad. Back below VWAP. Looks like a good short setup at this point. I think this is gonna be my downfall right here. This little baby lower high. What's it gonna be, INCY? What's it gonna be? Back into the 50s, huh? Yeah, this looks like a good short setup now. What's the top of this? 32. I can't risk that much. Yeah, this is a great little short setup candle right here. Yeah, now you halted down in GME. Whoever didn't take profit at the top is sweating hard on GME right now. They are hoping it goes up so bad. Yep, INCY is about to stop me out. And I risked too much on it. Man, it went to 38 and didn't stop me. That's weird. Wow. Triple digits on the dot on the losses. And you know what? I did it again. I thought it wasn't a big deal. But a little confirmation there for me about that lower high, man. About that lower high. Dang, man. Janet Yellen. Who was that? Yeah. Only thing I was right on was cake, and my entry was just really bad. I bought the green instead of the red. It just came right back down and teetered at this support. Cake all the way to 39. Had 100 shares at 38.11. Stop was at 80. Wait. Man, my stop was at 80. And it went down to 80 exactly. Nah, I think my stop was at 86 and it just filled me at 80. That's why I got the $6 passed. Treasury security. Man. Yeah, I think today was probably a sit on handers kind of day. I just felt like I had to trade, even though this wasn't the ideal setup on INCY. It was like it's the only thing that kind of looks like a setup. I can't believe I did it again. Bought after a lower high. Yeah, it was all good to this moment right here. And it made a higher high on that candle. Confirming the downtrend. Nice short setup. Enter there. Take profit there. Yep, GME, round 2. That would be so stressful trading GME, man. Halt after halt like that. Unless you got a great entry. But then you gotta panic because you don't know where it's gonna open after the halt. That's too stressful for me, man. Am I gonna be wrong about INCY as well? Should have waited for the range. I'm really thinking about deleting VWAP, man. uh, just kidding. Yeah.
FIS.
Yeah, I kind of knew this arm trade wasn't gonna be the one though. I already said I don't like buying after these tweezer patterns. This would have been good right here if it held this spot and then just moved up from here. That would have been good. Once that didn't happen, should have just walked out of there. Probably MMM right here. There you go, right there. Nice pullback with no higher highs in it. Back to VWAP. First trip back to VWAP. Right at this level it pulled back to before. Well, not quite. See any buyers coming in though. VWAP is 76. It's holding VWAP. Yeah, I would probably say this is a good one right here on Triple M. Back up to 101.50 maybe. Nice narrow range entry. Especially if it doesn't break below VWAP, which is 76 on my chart. 77 is the low on that candle. $85 is the trigger. Can go 20-cent stop. What's this low? 51. What, it being such a long pullback? I think that looks pretty good on Apple there, Olu. This would have been a nice guy right here.
You.
Yeah, I do. I hear you, Ben, because what's taking so long for people to come back and start buying it on MM. Momentum is lost, and now it's below. Now it's below VWAP. Yeah. I think when you got more solid red candles on the pullback, it means that there's buyers still in there trying to catch the bounce.
RDDT.
And when there's nothing in the pullback, it's like nobody cares. That might be it right there, though. Double bottom at 67. Back up over VWAP.
SEDG.
185.23. I like that, Olu. I like that a lot. What's high day? 85.65. You right there. See, now I'm in such a good headspace regards to looking at the trades. Because I know I can't trade. Before, it's like
ROKU.
you feel pressure to find that trade. Even though you still don't have to trade. Yeah, I think I like
MMM.
I like MMM right here, Ben. I would take it over 85. We'll call that an entry. Over 85. We'll go 59 on M. First target 101.47. There's our paper trade pond. That's funny signature.
U.
Olu's target is 186. I put your name in there. Oh yeah, that looks great, Olu. That looks great. It's going straight up though. I'd be a little worried about a rapid pullback on that joint. You might have to sit through one. I don't know though. It looks very strong. Very strong relative to the market and everything. And it just broke over high a day, so it might have some wheels on it. I just might have to sit through a small pullback though. See, our paper trade's doing good over the whole dollar. Should have been a tad more patient. See, once I saw this, I saw it in my head, but I was like, it's just a little peekaboo higher high, lower high. I do that all the time, man, where I just pass over things. I notice them, but I just dismiss them. But this legit be the confirmation of the downtrend. Legit. Yeah, all my entries on the 2 minute.
AA.
But I mean, I was watching the 5, so like when I took this one, I was like, yeah, man, that'll be a nice little 5-minute entry. That's probably what helped me disregard this. But that's one of the reasons I like seeing the lower time frame, because you get little clues like that. And this was a little clue. This was a little clue. And really, it took too long.
FISU. BROEG.
I don't know.
RDDT.
But then you could say the same about Triple M, which is looking pretty good right now.
UPST. AA.
All right, there's your pullback there, Olu. That might be all it
BABA.
needed, sitting at the high day breakout right there. Hopefully that's all it needed. Oh yeah, pre-market high too.
GME.
Oh yeah,
KSS.
I think you looking real good, Olu. Although I don't know, this might have been a better target.
FIS.
Now that I'm seeing that pre-market high right there. Maybe on a partial. Yeah. I was ready today to take partials in all the right places. I was practicing that in the replay sim over the weekend. Just not caring about the money, but just looking at the technical places to sell. And I was practicing selling at high of day, selling at pre-market high. You know, selling that double top instead of not, you know, just taking half out instead of you know, wanting that home run. But I think you got a good shot right here. Yeah, it's struggling, but you got a nice higher high. I'd say at worst you might get a pullback to like the 185.50 area. But yeah, I mean, it's struggling right here because it's at pre-market high, and that's where you're supposed to take some profits at. You know? And I realize that, like, all the pain that I go through when I'm trying to hold through known levels, the only reason it's painful because I'm the only one that's not the only one, but I'm watching everybody else take profits while I'm hoping for a higher move. Yeah, market is dropping. That's what this is right here on Tesla, lined up with that SPY drop right there. Apple don't seem to care that much about the market right now, though. Tesla doesn't really either. But, you know, that only lasts for so long. The market catches up with everybody. Yeah.
ROKU.
Apple is definitely showing some real good relative strength. I think you're going to be all right, Olu. I think you're going to be all right. Man, I would be having a hard time taking out at 186, honestly. I don't want to influence you though, but I'd be holding for 187 for sure. I'll probably take some profit though at 186. Absolutely. But considering this is just now breaking over high of day, yeah, probably would have taken profit here and then hold for 187 on the rest. But it looks good. It looks good. High of day is 87. Yeah, but then you do got to factor in the market pulling back too. Okay, here we go, Olu. Triple M back to VWAP. Giving you a nice narrow range spot to add. Not really. I mean, you can add a little bit. It's pretty tight. Nah, it's dropping. What's our stop out on 59? Yeah. SPY is looking bearish. There we go.
UPST.
All right, new high of day on Apple. Yeah, Triple M just made a lower low. Or did it? What's 67? No. Triple bottom. See if it holds 67. That would be very interesting. Nope, 63.
ROKU.
Our stop is 59. It shouldn't have been, though. Stop should have just been at 67 because once it makes a lower low, that's a wrap. No point in giving that.
BYON.
No point giving that any room. All right, Olu, new high of day. Looking good.
BABA.
Somebody making money around here. You do 186 on the penny?
FIS.
I always like to drop mine down a couple pennies. 95. Whew. Come on, Olu. Come on. Alright, we still in our MMM paper trade by chinny chin chin by 3 cents. Partial. Okay.
JD.
Okay. Olu putting a little on the P&L. Okay. Now you can sit tight for the big move. Maybe stop under there, possibly. 186.5. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Nice work there, Olu. Don't be too greedy.
AA. SEDG.
Man, I didn't do good today. This was random. Even though I was right. Like that means anything. Timing is everything. Being right means nothing if your timing is off. So let me stop with that. Yeah, I just, after it failed to do what I was expecting for a setup that I like, once it didn't do that, I should have walked away. Because I've already been through this kind of tweezer pattern before, and I don't like it. And I don't like it. So, shame on me for that. And then INCY, same thing. Bought this lower high. I can't wait till that's a never anymore. Like, I never buy under VWAP anymore. I can't wait till I never buy after a lower high. That's going to be so amazing for me. All right, we're still alive on Triple M because our stop was at 59. But this looks a little downtrendish. A little downtrendish. Let's see what happens. I think we get back over 101. We good to go. We good to go. And then that would be very good stop placement as well. The reason I wanted to put my stop there. Yeah, man. That's why you gotta stay solid. You gotta stay 10 toes down on your setup, on your rules. Cause the reason you have these little asterisks, like all these little asterisks right there, are for the fake outs, right? Cause it can still look great. It can have a higher high and higher low, and it can be at VWAP and high volume support, and it can be above opening range. But these little details right here, this the fake out. This to keep you out of the fake outs. So yeah, I can't.
ROKU.
These little, even if it's a little baby
KSS.
lower high. Like this one, just one time, it made a high, and I let myself. I just said, "Oh, it's okay. It's just a little.
BROS.
It's just a little one." It's just a little Higher low or
BABA.
lower high.
BYON.
Oh, all right, Olu. Yeah, that was nice, man. You caught that at a beautiful time. That was really nice. I wish I would have been paying attention, or I don't know. That's why I'd be saying I don't want to trade Apple, but that's a nice trend line play right there. I've really been enjoying these trend lines. Really been enjoying them. If you would have drawn it on there, though. Didn't really get any confirmation till that candle right there.
ONON.
Over 32.
U.
What was that one you were looking at, Pond? Okay. That ain't it. OKLO.
JD.
Got you. Yeah, it'd be like that. It'd be like that. Yeah, look at this joint on the 15. Oh, and the 5. Yeah, this looks like a lot right here. Super huge top and tail, and then a lower high.
NXT.
But, you know, a lot of times when they spend all this time under VWAP and then they break back above, they have a nice little run. Yeah. This thing might be pretty cool back over VWAP. It actually looks on the hourly. This could be nice. Look at this right at yesterday's close. It's pretty much been consolidating since it made that low yesterday. Might have a nice little bounce through VWAP right here. Got 15 minutes for this hourly candle closes. Might get some 965. Okay. I like that we're back on VWAP with that. There you go. There you go. That's when that level 2 helps you out, make some good decisions. Look at Lou over here stacking up the bank. Next stop, 186.50 incoming. Look at that nice bounce off a pre-market high. Yup. Looking good. GME back, just moved below VWAP.
KSS.
Yeah, you had to get in early on GME and catch that first wave. I don't know, it might go again. There we go.
WHR. LMND.
I just don't have the type of
RDDT.
mental capacity for something like this. I've gone through so many phases in the low float world. I remember I used to keep that halt website up on the
AX.
tab. So I know every time something halted, me and a buddy of mine, we would just be trying to throw an order in as it's halting, trying to get in it. You catch some crazy moves, up and down though. Wild stuff. All right. Ben, I think you was right on this MMM pullback. It's like too long. And this right here is probably just shorts covering.
BABA.
Where's our stop? Was that 69 or 59? We ain't stopped out yet. So, did market find the bottom at 51.20? Nah, it looked like it's about to break through and go lower. Yep. Exactly, Ben. The move was over. I gotta get the move was over radar tightened up a little bit, because that was the move. Pretty wide range. I mean, this is not way above, but this is definitely more than its average trading range too. So I shouldn't have been trying to catch a bounce on it. Should have just assumed it was over. All right, what we got on the table, folks? OKLO. Okay. It's not looking bad, Pond. Not looking bad. Oh, Lou, though. Oh, Lou. It's a lot of green candles up on the 5. Testing higher day again at 65. Oh, look at the daily, though. High of this candle, 75. Oh, my. Yeah, Olu made a real nice trade on that one for sure. Man. I like Trip looks crazy on the daily, Pond. Over 75? Wow. You don't see how you can predict a direction for a stock in a long-term period? You do love some knife catching.
ROKU.
I think you're looking pretty good right there, Pond, though. You don't see.
LMND.
I think the best time to buy is actually after something wild happens. because usually it'll be a while before something else
BYON.
wild happens. But I mean, to me, it's easier to predict long term than short term. Like, this chart here looks bearish to me, right? The daily on trip. Like, you had this level here. I'd say this is a pretty clear level right here. Right? Gapped up, retested it, hung out, kept testing it. Then we broke up, made a higher high. And then from here, you start making lower highs. You break underneath it and break back up. And then you break back down. Now you're below the 50 SMA. This screams it's going down right here. So this is where you should be looking to short on long term. I don't know, man. I think it is possible if you're
BABA.
you just got to be cognizant. Yeah, it's got a massive gap to fill, though. All the traders who held this stock through earnings news. Yeah, man. Think this could be a squeeze over this high? I mean, this low is 19.15. You got this guy right here at 73 as well. 1965. Man, it looks nice. It might not go today, but it definitely looks crazy right here. This is so much room right here. NEE. There you go. Scaling out, huh? Not waiting for that 65. What was your position on that, Pond? What you get to? 186.43 on Apple.
RDDT.
What's up, A46? Yeah. 920-ish. Okay, that's a nice amount of leverage there, sir. Yeah, I ain't mad at that, Pond. I got the opposite problem. I see profit, I break out the popcorn. Where is Apple going to be in 2 hours? All right, let's break out the crystal ball here. Yeah, bro, that's a lot to imply there. But honestly, man, I could see it going up to 187 for sure. I think that's when it would get questionable getting to the high of this candle here. But
LMND.
2 hours is a long time. Let's see what the hourly's talking about. Huh. I don't know. It's kind of got a little range going right here. If it breaks out of the range, it could go much higher. And, you know, to me, trading is like a bunch of if and then statements. You know, where if it does this, then it will probably do this. Right?
BABA.
So it's just, you wait and see if you can get a solid if statement that has enough criteria to make you feel strong enough to place a trade on it. You know, you get enough green lights and you don't have the red lights, then you make a trade. It's all, you know, statistical. When a chart sets up like this, most of the time it does this afterwards. And, you know, you manage your risk and you draw your line in the sand as to where it could, you know, where you know your idea was wrong at. Oh, yes, it is, Brent. Wow. Look at the hourly on that thing. Massive. Yeah, that's crazy. The daily looks crazy on that thing. Good morning, E46. How's it going? Good to see you, man. I always feel bad when people I haven't seen in a while come in and I'm all red. Like, I want to apologize. Sorry for the red trades, man. My apologies for the subpar trading performance today. Yeah, I thought Cake was a nice one to try today because I thought it looked really good on the daily for a breakout. And
ONON.
it was. I just timed my entry horribly and got stopped out first. And then it proceeded to grind up $1. Which is all I wanted out of it. I just wanted up to 39. What do you think? 187 is aggressive for Apple?
GH.
Yeah, it is. But, I mean, if it keeps going up. Hey, here goes Netflix back over VWAP. ARM, it didn't set up here. I wanted it right here on this candle. And it didn't give the setup, and I just kept watching it. And then when I saw this big green candle come in back over VWAP and engulf that, I was like, okay, I can give it a try and just give it a... I didn't even really give it much room on the stop, too. It was a very aggressive play.
WHR.
And got stopped out right away. It looked really good for a second, and then it got smashed right down. So yeah, the setup I wanted did not play out, and then I took it anyway on a much lower probability setup and paid for that. And then INCY I bought after a lower high.
JD.
Bars. So yeah, just you know, same old mistakes. Feeling too inclined to take a trade and not just wait. Honestly, probably wouldn't have been. This is really a no trade day. Nothing I was watching really set up nicely enough for me to take a real trade on it. This should have been a sit on hands type of day.
ALMIND. WHR.
Although I'm kind of wishing I jumped back in Cake over 38.
BABA.
BYON.
JD.
I was about to, but it felt like wow, this must be a lot of what's up with the scanner going off right now.
UPST. CRSP.
I've heard UPST a lot
SEVG.
today. Should have pulled that up.
KSS.
Yeah, you get a lot more data after, the chart builds up. You can draw some I know, right? You can draw some, trend lines, you can draw some support lines, after the chart plays out a little more. It's really intense at the open, Ben, but that's when the most opportunity is too. That's when you can get the best position on something. But you
RTX.
just have to be on your game. You have to have.
EROS.
All right, I'm done with this scanner. You have to. Your criteria has to be crystal clear, and you got to be very solid and clear on it yourself. And then you just got to stick to that. And when you see something, you got to attack. Feeling that GME FOMO over 30 maybe. I think this would have been a nice little spot right here. These are some lines I drew on the daily. Seems to be respecting. I would definitely have to put my stop under these guys at 27.40, which is quite a spread. I mean, it's risky, but it's risky. I wouldn't bet my house on it, but I mean, I could definitely see why you would want to play it. I think off of 27 was a beautiful entry. I don't know, man. It's still making lower highs for me. I would have to wait. I think 30 is a significant level, it seems like, just on this intraday action. This could possibly be, a trend line breakout, or this could be a lower high, and then I would move my trend line to the top of that candle. I don't know. But I think yeah, good job, Brent. Yeah, I don't know. I think maybe I would want to see it trade over 30 and then come back and give me a nice higher low at 30, somewhere around the $30 area. But of course you risk missing out on it because it could just explode over 30. So I don't know, if I took it right here, I would want to share size enough to put my stop under these candles down here, and then hold for a big move back up. I mean, you could just put it underneath this candle under VWAP if you wanted to, but if you looked at this move up here, I mean, I'll probably look somewhere in the, the fib levels are pretty solid. So 24.77, 38.20. $13.43, 671, probably 31.50 area. Yeah, probably somewhere in here, right in the middle of the range of these two support and resistance lines I drew. But I mean, in all facts, it's downtrending right now. The hypothesis is that this is support, which I drew this line on the daily. I think, where did I draw this line from? I think I drew this line on the daily. Yeah, I drew this line from here, the top of this candle, and then this other line's the top of that candle. And I mean, it seems to be playing off of it. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's working out, but you know, you talk about taking a safe setup. The safest entry on that hypothesis was down here. And like I said, if you wanted to take the break over 30 and put your stop down here under 27, maybe, I think that would be a solid play for, you know, for a ride back up to 35 maybe, which would give you a nice ratio. But the safer thing would be for it to make wait for it to make a higher low and actually confirm the trend change. Because right now it's just a downtrend. You know, you got the high, you got a lower, you got a low, then you got a lower high, and then you got a lower low. So it's still downtrending. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not sold on GME right now. That chart isn't screaming to me jump in. But right here, you know, in relation to that low and seeing it teeter, but yeah, it's all risk right now to me. What's up, HH? Did you mess with GME, HH? This entry right here, this is the one. Right. Yeah, see now maybe you could start thinking, I don't know, man. It's super like if it held VWAP right there, it's holding 29.50 right up under 31. You could do 31 by 29.49. But yeah, a dip down through VWAP and a buy back up would be nice. And then a new high. I'd like to see it break below 50 and then get bought back up with a lot of intensity. VWAP is 29.24. This thing is ridiculous. What's up, Demi? Yeah, AMC is a much more reasonable trading stock. But this is a nice narrow range entry too, because I would rather get in over 30 than 31. So is this thing gonna hold 50 again? Yeah, we got 3 tests to 29.50 that held, and now we're teetering under $30. This might be a good try right here. Over 30. Over 30.10. Stop loss under 29. I'd still want to put it under $29. Yeah, they're forever tied together from the meme war, the Wall Street bets war. Is it? I'm scared to pull it up because I want to see what GME's gonna do here. I think over 30 would be very interesting play for the Brave. Yeah, see. Now you got kind of a trend line break a little bit. I don't know, but that is so impractical, that thing up there. Trend line break right there at the $27 mark. Bear trap trigger. I know, right? It's money to be made. It's just so risky. I like Netflix though. I think Netflix is looking good right now. I keep losing my mouse. It's not gold inside the egg though. Long GME holding the 3K. Oh yeah. You talking about just now, Ben? 29.33. Oh yeah. You saying that's the top side of the range? Or the bottom? I still need to jump on a call with you, HH, talk about this ATR business. If it can't hold, it will fade for the day. Bruh, every time I send my mouse off screen, it disappears. Okay, there's your test below 50. Okay, 29.33. All right, there's your. That's a good. I like that right there on GME. I like that price action right there. I like that. If I was a gambling man, I'd be in right there, especially over 30. Oh yeah. Maybe just try to catch some momentum, man. Tight stop. Yeah, tight stop right under 29, maybe. Yeah, like 25 shares. Nah, it's like cause the mouse I have isn't compatible with Mac, and so I downloaded this software to allow me to program the buttons on the mouse. And ever since I downloaded that software, I lose my mouse for some reason. For multiple screens, ties different. Yeah, there's is this the bull trap right here? Yeah, if that thing broke 29.27, I'm out of there. I love Mac, bro. I love Mac. I'm doing all this on Parallels, running Windows 11. Got the best of both worlds. Ben, stop playing, bro. Stop playing. I don't believe you for 1 second. Do 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 do. Well. Uh-oh. Getting sketchy. 24.26. Sheesh. Yeah, if that thing breaks 27, man, I would be. Oh, there's 26. I would have got stopped out right there. Nah, I said I was going to tuck my stop under 29. Maybe I would have used that candle. I don't know. It's all quite risky. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure it is. I didn't know that's what you were saying. It sounded like you was talking about YOLO in your whole account. What's the ticker for Bitfarms? Also, I'm very I don't know what the adjective word I have for that, but I appreciate you not judging me by my P&L right now and being willing to ask my opinion on something. I'll be like, this guy don't know nothing. I read the charts okay though. I just I get a little excited in the moment. It's about to die. All right. HH calls death to GME. I would say I have to agree with you. Like I said, man, that thing's downtrending. BITF. Wow. Man, honestly, man, my opinions for these stocks that are below $5, I don't even know. You just have to believe. Ben, you're not really risking $30 on this stock. There's no way, bro. I don't believe you. The Roaring Kitty. That's so funny. My issue with I'm just looking at all of this pressure above where it's trading right now. You know? You're long. Is there some news on this thing? I'm telling you, HH, every time I'm in a position and I'm sitting around hoping, especially once I'm in the red on it, oh man, hope never works out. Yeah, I mean, everything on this chart to me is screaming that it's going to zero. I would think this move up, the fact that it's off of the higher from the low is just short covering. You trying to catch a dead cat bounce? Is that what the play is on this? Maybe back over 166, but I don't know. Below this candle, I would probably cut it. Because pre-market low is 157. This candle's low is 157. Yeah, if I was in this long, I would definitely be cutting it at 157. Maybe 152 if I was really convinced, but this thing looks like it's straight hot garbage. I don't see anything hopeful about it. I don't know, the 5 don't look so bad though. The 5 don't look so bad. It might be alright. There you go, right there. Boom. Yeah, over 162. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Pond. Maybe over 162. Yeah, bro. I'll pat my stop up pretty tight. But over 162 and then back over high a day, you could probably get you something. Oh, this is a crypto thing. Bit Farms, stock miner or something. I mean, Bitcoin miner. Yeah, I wouldn't like jump out of it, but I would definitely have my stop up tight. Gagger blank. Hey, what's up, Richard? That's my spirit brother right there, man. Fitness and trading. Okay, hold on. GME might not be all the way dead. Yeah, I had a bad day today, but it wasn't like I didn't go crazy, which is half thanks to my well, I don't think my broker saved me because I wasn't gonna. I knew INCY was gonna be my last trade of the day. I just probably could have not traded it though. Yeah, that's true. It definitely depends on how you play. You know, I'm always speaking from my perspective. I don't know, man. GME. If you tuck that stop under 27. That's a nice candle right there. That's a nice candle on the 5 there. I don't know. Got 3 minutes left. This looks atrocious though. Yeah, these kind of charts, I mean, we talking about meme charts and low float charts. I don't know what to make of those, man. I don't really, that's why I don't trade them, because you got to look at all the other factors like float and you know, divergence. There's a lot of other things going on. That's because it's a meme stock, HH. Yeah, I'm saying E46. It's kind of looking good right there. But that's what I'm saying, HH. These meme stocks, bro. This is a whole different animal, man. It's not really. Yeah, I'm seeing it too. E46. I don't know. It's still downtrending in my opinion, though. I still haven't seen any kind of confirmation to the upside at all. So, huge gamble to go long on this puppy right now. But you know, it would be for a much bigger reward as long as you had your stop in. I mean, you know. It's okay, because you're risking, you know, $1 to go to the moon. You know, you go to the moon for $1. Ben, what you finish up today, man? You being kind of funny. Did you have a bad day and you're just like coping? You was green 92 last time I checked on you. You doing okay, Ben? Hey, hit the like for me, guys. That's all I got going today is the like button. P&L is out the window. I gotta avoid these $30 losses, man. This should have been a $75 loss day. Okay, yeah. So you got to be paper trading though, right? You're not really risking $30. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Nah, this mug is going down. I think it's gonna crack 27. It's going back to 24. What'd you call it, HH? 24 what? 24, 26. Yeah, I'm with HH today. I got 24, 26. Hey, what did Olu end up on Apple? Did he get that? Oh, that was High Day. High Day was 43. You still in here, Olu? I mean, you took profit already, so it ain't no thing to be patient for that retest. But that's why I don't like taking out the round number. Like if I want 50, I'm taking out at 47, 43. But you know, you already got some money in the bank. Hopefully your stop is at break even, and you know, you're just riding the wave, seeing what it's gonna do. It's been relatively strong to the market. Like it's like it looks like the SPY flipped. I feel you, Gagger Blank. I just wanna buy parts for my drift car, bro. Yeah, I think HH said it best last week. He said that he doesn't trade Monday because he just lets all the people come in with their new strategies from people who spent the weekend developing their new approach to the market. Come in on Monday. Oh man. I'm definitely disappointed in Cake, man. I knew with the low volume it was going to be sketchy, but I just was hoping it was going to hold this low right here. It just didn't have enough volume to hold it. Man, it peaked down literally 6 cents from my stop and then took off. Alright, let's not look at that. What else we looking at? Oh, the breakdown of GME. Oh, hold on. I want to see what's going on with Bitfarm. Let's see what where them designer clothes is coming from. What is it? BITF? Is that what it was? Yeah. Okay. 163. Ain't bad. Yeah, I'll definitely have my stop at like 56. And yeah, you get back over 66, man. I think you might have a cool little day. Might even get back up to yesterday's close. Yeah, nothing special yet. Okay, now it's a tick down. Wow, look at these thousands of shares sitting on level 2. You don't see that often in the big cap world. Wow, SPY is dropping massively right now. So is GME. That's a wrap. I'm telling you. Look at Apple though. Apple don't care. Apple's very strong today. That was the one to jump on for sure. That was the one. Apple has probably the most relative strength. Apple and cake. Oh yeah, I swear you being sarcastic, Ben. I swear you being sarcastic. If you drew one here, it still look alright. It's about to come back down now, though. It's about to test this trend line right here. Screenshot in Discord. Alright, let me check you out. Stop at 0, take profit 3K. Oh, excuse me. Here it is, folks. Ben's analysis on GME. Everybody go long GME. We going to 3,000, baby. Oh man. Hey y'all, jump in the Discord. Let me post the Discord link. That's so funny. Hilarious. Okay, we got 14 likes, 18 people in here. Don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. Keeping the community growing. Okay, NVIDIA. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA back to 908. That's a nice candle right there. What we need for a higher high? 903.43. NVIDIA coming through with a little relative strength there. I like NVIDIA right there, man. I like that. Over 903.43. Catalyst and ATR. Yeah, I mean, once you get the trading system, that's like, then you can start, once you get the solid trading system, now you can start working on the hardest part, which is trading the system flawlessly. That's the hardest part. Like, it's pretty clear what you're supposed to do when you trade. It's not like magical or anything, you know. Like, you got price levels, things move from support to resistance and back to support. Things break out and retest, and buy low, sell high, blah blah blah. But once you get the system part, I mean, at least you're on the right thing, because there's a lot of people just don't even have a system, don't have any trade management, risk management. They're just YOLOing and chasing green candles. But it's like, once you get your system together, now you can begin learning how to trade. Yeah, Ben got it figured out, Brent. Ben got it all figured out. I don't know why he didn't draw that trend line earlier so we could all be in GME right now. I like Nvidia. It likes this 2750 level on GME, but I think it's gonna break through this time. We got all these tests. All right, Brent. Thanks for hanging out, man. Yeah. I usually don't start drawing trend lines till after I'm done, because when I'm trading the open, there's nothing really to draw it on yet. I still haven't figured out if this is a part of the actual trading action that you can draw against. But GME 3K. We'll start a new hashtag. All right, Pon. Thanks for stopping by and hanging with me, man. As usual, always appreciate it. Get that cake and run. Yeah. I tried to get the cake today. Did not work. Wow, look at AMC, though. AMC was a nice trader after that big dip low. Retook VWAP and kept it moving. Yeah, GME's done. See if that thing throws a higher low on Nvidia, and that could be a nice little trade right here, about 900 maybe. That would be quite the pullback, though. I'd rather see it to 902, 901.80. But Oh yeah, there it goes. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Another day of paying tuition. My biggest regret is this this lower high trade, because that's just one that I really want to be solid on, because this is one that messes me up quite often. Never buy after a lower high. This, even one little topping tail on its way down to VWAP is enough for me to disqualify the trade. But anyway, I'll talk about all that stuff in my review video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Ben, E46, Pond Trading, HH, Brent, Ben, all you guys. Said Ben already. Gagger Blank, interesting name. Olu, hope you get to the bag on Apple. I know you already made some good money. Anyway, y'all, give me some milk. Yeah, for sure. All right, man. Appreciate you all. Have a good day. Catch y'all in the morning. Peace.